Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to learn one of the most important skills in English, how to introduce yourself confidently and naturally. Whether you're meeting someone for the first time, attending a job interview, or starting a conversation in a new environment, being able to introduce yourself clearly is essential.
That's right. A good introduction is like your first impression. It sets the tone for the entire conversation. So today, we'll walk you through step-by-step how to introduce yourself in English, with examples for casual, formal, and professional situations.
Let's start with the basics. When you introduce yourself in English, you usually begin with your name. Simple, right? For example, you can say, "Hi, I'm John," or "Hello, my name is Sarah."
Yes, but don't stop there. After you say your name, it's nice to share a little bit more, like where you're from or what you do. For example, "Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm from London." Or, "Hello, I'm John. I work as a teacher." These short sentences help people get to know you better.
Exactly. Let's build on that. A basic self-introduction usually includes your name, where you're from, what you do, and sometimes your interests or hobbies. So you could say something like, "Hi, I'm Emily. I'm from Canada and I work as a graphic designer. In my free time, I love painting and reading books."
That's a great example. It's short, clear, and natural. Now, let's break this down step by step so you can learn to make your own introduction.
Step 1. Your name. You can say, "Hi, I'm Ava." Or, "Hello, my name is James." Or, "Hey, I'm Mark." If you want to sound more formal, use "my name is." If you're in a casual setting, "I'm" sounds perfectly natural.
Yes, but don't stop there. After you say your name, it's nice to share a little bit more, like where you're from or what you do. For example, "I'm from India." "I'm originally from Brazil, but I live in New York now." "I grew up in Japan."
Adding details like where you live now or where you were born makes your introduction more engaging.
Step 3. What you do. This can mean your job, your studies, or your main daily activity. For example, "I work as a nurse." "I'm a university student studying computer science." "I'm a freelance photographer." Keep it simple and clear.
Step 4. Your interests or hobbies. This helps create a friendly and memorable conversation. You can say, "In my free time, I like playing guitar. I enjoy cooking and trying new recipes. I love spending time outdoors, especially hiking."
Perfect. Now let's put it all together in one smooth introduction. "Hi, I'm Ava. I'm from Australia and I work as an English teacher. In my free time, I enjoy watching movies and traveling to new places."
That's a great example of a complete self-introduction for everyday situations. Now, let's talk about how to introduce yourself in more formal or professional situations like job interviews or business meetings.
In a professional setting, your introduction should sound polite and confident. You might say something like, "Good morning. My name is Daniel Roberts. I'm a marketing specialist with 5 years of experience in digital advertising. I'm passionate about creating strategies that connect brands with their audiences."
That's excellent. Notice how he used a more formal greeting like "good morning," included his full name, and mentioned his experience and passion. That kind of introduction works perfectly in interviews or networking events.
You can also add your education or achievements if it fits the situation. For example, "Hello, my name is Maria Gonzalez. I recently graduated with a degree in business administration, and I'm excited to start my career in management."
Exactly. It shows confidence and enthusiasm, two very important qualities in professional conversations.
Now, what about casual introductions, like when you meet someone at a party, on vacation, or online?
In that case, you can keep it friendly and relaxed. For example, "Hey, I'm Tom. Nice to meet you. I'm from Canada. What about you?" Or, "Hi, I'm Lisa. I just moved here recently. How do you like living in this city?"
See how those examples include a question at the end? That's a great way to keep the conversation going. When you ask the other person something, it shows interest and helps you connect more easily.
That's such a good point. Let's talk more about how to extend your introduction. After you introduce yourself, you can ask simple questions like, where are you from? What do you do? Do you live nearby? What are your hobbies?
These questions are friendly, easy to answer, and perfect for making small talk after your introduction.
Now, let's discuss body language and tone. When you introduce yourself in English, it's not just what you say, it's how you say it. Smile, make eye contact, and speak clearly.
Exactly. Confidence is key. Even if your English isn't perfect, speaking with a smile and a friendly tone makes a great impression.
Let's practice a few more examples. Imagine this is your first day at school. You might say, "Hi, I'm Olivia. I'm new here. I just moved from Toronto. I'm excited to meet new friends and learn together."
That's friendly and positive. Here's another example for your first day at a new job. Hello, I'm David. I've just joined the company as a software engineer. I'm really happy to be part of the team.
Nice. It's polite, short, and shows enthusiasm.
You can also introduce yourself in online classes or meetings like this. Hi everyone, my name is Emma. I'm joining from Paris. I'm studying English to improve my communication skills for work.
That's a good example for virtual settings. Now, let's talk about adding personality to your introduction. Sharing a small, interesting detail can make your introduction stand out. For example, I'm Jake. I'm a software developer and I'm really into photography. Or, my name is Mia. I'm a nurse and I love baking desserts on weekends.
Those little details make your introduction more memorable and help others find something in common with you.
Exactly. Now, let's do a quick dialogue to show you how introductions work naturally in conversation. Sure, I'll start. Hi, I'm Ava. What's your name?
Hello, I'm Ben. Nice to meet you, Ava.
Nice to meet you too, Ben. Where are you from?
I'm from Spain. How about you?
I'm from the UK. What do you do?
I'm an architect. And you?
I'm an English teacher. That's interesting. I love learning about architecture.
See how that conversation flows naturally? It's friendly, balanced, and helps both speakers learn about each other.
Absolutely. You don't need complicated words or long sentences. Just confidence, a smile, and clear communication.
Let's share a few useful phrases you can use when introducing yourself. It's nice to meet you. I'm pleased to meet you. It's great to see you. Thanks for having me. I've heard a lot about you.
Those are great for polite situations. And don't forget to respond when someone introduces themselves. You can say, "Nice to meet you too," or "Glad to meet you," or "It's a pleasure to meet you."
Perfect. Now let's recap what we've learned today.
To introduce yourself in English, remember these key points. Start with a greeting, say your name, mention where you're from, talk about what you do, add a hobby or interest, end with a friendly question or comment. And don't forget, adjust your tone and language depending on the situation. Be more formal in professional settings and more relaxed in casual ones. Before we finish, here's one final full example that includes everything. Good morning, everyone. My name is Anna Smith. I'm from the United States, and I work as a project manager in a tech company. I've been working in this field for about 6 years. In my free time, I love reading novels and hiking. I'm really excited to be here and look forward to working with you all.
That's an excellent example. Confident, professional, and friendly. Now it's your turn. Practice your own self-introduction using the steps we discussed today. Record yourself speaking or try introducing yourself to a friend in English. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. Soon, you'll be able to introduce yourself confidently in any situation.
Thank you so much for watching today's video on how to introduce yourself in English. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable.
If you like this video, Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more English learning lessons and conversation tips.
See you in the next video, and until then, keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep growing your confidence in English.